Hi guys, morning, welcome back to my channel. It's the next day after the party and me and my friends have booked an Airbnb. Unfortunately it's a mess, so I can't give you guys any because it's a mess. I actually wish I could. It's a really nice place and the hosts are lovely. I'll link it down below for you guys if anyone wants to know where we are. And yeah, I'm so happy. You guys know the song? Wait. Hey, tell the lengua, guys. Hi friend. One thing about me, girl, and I just wanted to show you guys where we were staying. So yeah, this is the outside. It's got a little brine area where brine this afternoon and a little cute sitting area. Then you walk in from downstairs, there's a little pool table area, very chill. And then when you walk in, this is the lounge. Then when you walk this side, you get the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So there's 3 bedrooms. This is our bedroom. This is the view you have. Hi, Carnet.
Hi.
And then the second bedroom. How do I switch this thing on? Oh, there we go. So this is the bedroom. And it's got this big ass mirror that I'm obsessed with. And then this is the last bedroom. It's got an ensuite when you walk in. It's just a bathroom, it's a shower, and a sink. And then when you walk out of the bedrooms, this is actually where the entrance is, and you just have your kitchen. So yeah, that's the house tour. I'm just grabbing my bag now because we're checking out and then we're gonna go to the beach. But I'm probably not gonna stay long at the beach because I have to go to my friend's grad dinner and yeah.